Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So I got this special sample box from Nimbus9. I want to give a shout out to Betty for sending me this special package so I could do a review on this product. This is the brand new and latest iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max cases. So I'm not sure if she sent me like a whole package or different models or just certain models. So today I'm gonna go unbox it and then show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and get this started. By the way, she sent this out on the 19th and I got it almost like the next day, which is on the 20th, toward the other day. So I was kind of surprised. That was very, very fast shipping directly with the DHL from China. So I'm gonna cut out this side open. Wow, look at the presentation. So here's Nimbus9, their logo. Let me open this bubble wrap. It's a little bit damaged here, but anyway, we do not worry about the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. Let's see. Okay, let's see what we got here. This one's the Ghost 2 Pro. So it says including the mount. Come with this magnetic mount for your car. And this one is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And here's another iPhone Pro Max. Yeah, so I told her that I got the iPhone Pro Max, so pre-order. Unfortunately, there's a delay because maybe so many people jump on it, and then somehow the production got pushed a little bit back. So I should get it within the October 4th to the 9th. So yeah, all these are the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Go ahead and open the Go ahead and open this one first. This is the Phantom tooth. Got this special nice retail package. And all their cases military standard. Let's go ahead and slide this out. Wow. So as you can see, it's come with the limited lifetime warranty. So there's your lightning charge port adapter right here, your microphone and your speaker grill. You got this nice glossy, almost like a metallic finish volume rocker. And then there's your silent switch right here. It's nothing on the top. And then here's your side buttons right here. And your cutout opening for your 3 cameras with the LEDs flash. There's a Nimbus9 logo right here on the bottom. And you got this special texture right here that will protect your phone or your back glass from impact. And this is a special TPU material, so it's very flexible and it is pretty thick, so it protects your phone on these outer edges. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to this Series 2. The Series 2, it works with all the magnetic mount from Nimbus 9. Okay, we're going to do a little test on that. So when you see this magnetic, that means it is compatible with their own Nimbus 9 car mount. Or you can mount it on your SUV or your RV or whatever, so boat, ATV. So as you see, it has a military standard. And here is your metal piece. That's on the lower bottom right here. It will not affect your wireless charging pad, which is on the midsection right here. So that's a pretty good design. And for this red color, you got this nice black glossy finish. Volume rocker right here. The black part right here, it is TPU rubberized material. And then here's another button right here for your side. And again, you got the lightning port, your microphone, your speaker grill right here. And the Nimbus 9 logo. So this is like a polycarbonate material. It has a rubberized material on the backing right here. Feels pretty nice and grippy. All right, so you could also remove this inner silicone case apart from this backing, the polycarbonate backing. So you can remove it just by taking it apart. Okay. And this is where it comes in with this lifestyle kit for their Series 2. So you could interchange this with a different color casing, the back casing. Wow, look at that. Designed for expression. This is a denim blue asked for gray, and this is the crimson color. It is mount ready, lifetime warranty. Let's go ahead and check them out. Wow, so it comes with 3 colors. And here's an instruction on how to remove it, like what I just showed you. And then you just put that on the car mount, so easier for you to move it back and forth or rotate a landscape. So here are the 3 colors. It's pretty nice. And all of them has the metal plate. Since we already got this color, I'm going to try this on. Whoops. So the one that she sent it to me, this is for the iPhone. I'm not sure which model is this. iPhone 11 Pro. No, that looks like iPhone 11. Because 11 Pro, it is 5.8 inch, so it's smaller. So unfortunately, I cannot test out for you guys. So let me see right here real quick. It says iPhone 11 Pro Max, but unfortunately it doesn't fit. Yeah, it is for the smaller version, probably 11 Pro, not the Max. Well, finally, let's go and then check out this one. This is the Ghost 2 Pro. And it comes with the mounting magnet. It comes with a magnetic mounting kit. Oh, so this is the Ghost. This is the Ghost 2 Pro. So it comes with a magnetic mounting kit. So it says lift here. Oh, okay. So it comes with this aqua color, and this is the backing with the metal plate. So you could interchange your casing with the different color accents. Oh my god. It fit in there so tight. Oh my gosh. It's a pretty nice packaging, so in here just a foam. Instructions is over here. So it comes with the clear casing. This one is with the glossy, shiny chrome side button. Okay. The backing is like a peach color with the Nimbus 9. And you have the lightning port, microphone, and then speaker grill. There's your side button, volume rocker, and then your sleep switch. And all of them has a lifetime warranty, so you guys don't need to worry about it in case it get messed up. So you need to do just pull this out, and then you can interchange it with a different color. Okay, and this is the magnet. Wow, so it's very, very strong. Okay, so you can rotate landscape. It's not gonna fall anywhere. Portrait mode or another landscape in case you guys do the navigation on your truck, SUV, your car, your boat, your RV, or whatever vehicle that you have, or your ATV or your motorsports. And it has a nice ball joint right here. Rotate counterclockwise to loosen up or make this opening bigger. And then push in the ball joint. Okay, and allow you to rotate which way you want. And then you could tie this screw right here to tighten up so it doesn't move. Okay, and this is for the vent mount. It's pretty nice. This is like a hard rubberized material, so it's gonna grab it pretty nicely. Some of the other one that I used it before is like a plastic, so it's easy to slip off when you try to pull out your phone or your device. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description, so you can check out the Nimbus9. They make cases for all the different types of models: Samsung, LG, Huawei, and all other brand OnePlus 7 out there. So be sure to check them out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.